Guys, do you know that there are lots of things you can actually do with ChatGPT? In fact, you can literally change your life using ChatGPT. But the problem is most of us don't know how to go about it. And you guys know me, I always do the research and everything for you, so you don't need to worry about that. Whether you're looking for a job as a freelancer, or you're looking for remote work from home jobs, or you're looking to get employed as a full-time employee, then make sure to watch this video to the end, because all you need to do is just to follow the steps I'm going to be sharing with you. And you don't need to worry about the prompts because I have prepared everything for you. Just follow the way I'm going to show you here on this video. So to get started, you need to see ChatGPT as a career advisor or someone who is willing to help you achieve your career goal. So all you need to do is just to be as open as possible to ChatGPT. And being open means you have to introduce yourself to ChatGPT. Now this is a step that a lot of people skip, but this step is very crucial and you're going to see it as we progress on this video. And to do that, you're going to ask it this prompt. Using myself as an example, I'm going to say, "Hello ChatGPT, my name is Lenoa. I am a US designer with 1 year experience. I gained my knowledge and skill from taking the Coursera US design course offered by Google, and I'm proficient with the use of some US design tools like Figma and Adobe SC, etc. I love to research and take on a new challenge." Now, once you have done this and send it to ChatGPT, you're going to see the response it's going to give you. So once you have written that, it's going to ask you why you are introducing yourself, like how it can help you. So you can see it will ask if you're doing some job hunting or anything else. So once you have done that, then you can go ahead and tell it more about yourself and the things you want to achieve. So you can use this second prompt. "I am looking to get hired as soon as possible with the information you have now about me. Which field of work do you think I could possibly get hired?" Then you ask it to generate. Alright, so it has finished generating the field of work. It thinks that I can possibly get hired, and they include startups and freelancing, software as a service, e-commerce. It's now left for you to tailor your search down to the particular field you're interested in, and you can do this using this third prompt. So I said my location of interest to find this job are America and Europe, and I reside in Europe. I would love to work remotely in field 1, 2, 3, 4. Please recommend the companies or websites where I could possibly find jobs that suits me based on the information you have about me. So as you can see, it has finished generating the information that I need. And do you know the crazy part? It also went ahead to recommend, like in detail, including their sites, to show you that ChatGPT is also a search engine. So as you can see, it gave me job boards platform and remote US design roles. On LinkedIn, we work remotely, dribble jobs, AngelList talents are well found, and it also told me it is now well found. And all these companies, it also gave me companies like Automatic, GitLab, InVision, and Zapier, lots of them. It also went ahead to give me networking communities where I can possibly, find recommendations from, to show you how good this chatbot is. So it gave me networking communities for hidden opportunities. You see, most of the time some job opportunities can be posted on these places, and if you're not on there's no how you know about these jobs. So you see, that's giving it to me. So what I will need to do now is to go through all these things that's giving me, look for the company's websites online and go to their career page to see if there is any opening available, or I can go to LinkedIn and look for all these companies to see if I can find them. Now if I find anyone that I'm interested in, or if I'm able to join these networking communities that it has shown me, then I can be active on there to make sure that people notices me and what I can do, so that I can be given opportunities or be recommended for jobs whenever there is opportunities that I might not know about. Now if I want to look for any of these companies on LinkedIn, I can just go on LinkedIn and look for them, and if I'm able to find a hiring manager or someone that I can actually talk to, then I will either send them a DM or an email if I get their contact, or whatever I want to do. So assuming I want to send them an elevator pitch. Now for those that don't know, elevator pitch is more like a 30-second thing you can actually present to your potential employer to make sure that you stand a chance of being hired. Like if you have 30 minutes to talk to somebody, what are you going to tell that person to make the person consider you amongst others? So that is basically what elevator pitch is. So you can draft anything. Now I am encouraging you to draft something. This is because most of the information that ChatGPT gives you is what it finds on the internet, like anywhere on the cloud. So you might run into problems of plagiarism and stuff like that. So that is why you need to draft something, and then you allow ChatGPT to make it better for you using this prompt I'm going to show you now. So the prompt is, "Please ChatGPT, with the information you have about me and what you know about the company Trello, please rewrite this elevator pitch that I have drafted that I would love to send to this company Trello, to make them see the values I have to offer them and to make them be interested in hiring me. Make the message." So here you're going to put quotation mark to show that it is a message, and also end it with quotation mark. So I'm going to paste my message here. Alright, so I have pasted my message, and I'm going to say, please make it professional, attention grabbing, and to spark their interest. So what I'm going to do now is to ask it to generate. It has generated a good looking elevator pitch that I can easily copy and send to the people I want to send it to. Now the good thing about this is that it is rewriting the original thing that you have written and it is making it better. Like I asked you to make it attention grabbing, I asked you also to make it to spark their interest to want to hire me. So this is exactly what it did to the one that I gave it. So it did not copy from anywhere, it just modified the one that I gave it. And that is why you have to make sure you draft it, or no matter how bad it is, it's going to make it better. And of course, that is why the introduction that I made earlier is important, because without me introducing myself, it will not really understand my persona, like the type of person I am and what I can offer, before modifying the elevator pitch that I gave it. So that is why it is important for you to introduce yourself earlier on before going deep into asking it the relevant question you need to ask it. So now that it has generated this for me, I can easily copy it and send it either as an email or as a direct message to the company that I chose to send it to. So once you have done this, you can expect that they are going to give you a reply. That is, you stand out with everything that I have just mentioned. Now, if you're looking for a full-time job and you probably saw an opening in the companies that it gave you that you may be interested in, all you have to do is just to ask it a different prompt for you to get a better resume or cover letter that you can possibly submit to these people to stand a better chance of being invited to an interview. I'm also going to show you how to prepare for your interview using ChatGPT, so make sure to stick to the end. But before we continue, if you've seen value so far, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers. We thank all of you for being our support system so far. We are really grateful. So moving on, the prompt you're going to use to modify your resume and your cover letter should you see any opening is this prompt. I found this job opening in company Canonical. This is the company I found the job opening. Here are the descriptions and requirements. So I'm going to paste the description and requirements, but remember, before you paste, you have to put quotation mark to show that it's a different thing from the prompt you're still giving it. So I'm going to paste it here, and of course make sure it ends with a quotation mark as well. So here is the thing, I've pasted it, and I will say, please ChatGPT, with the information you have about me and what you know about the company Canonical, please rewrite this resume that I have drafted to send to this company. Please make it professional, attention grabbing, and to spark their interest using the keywords in the job description as stated in the job description and requirements of this job opening to enable me stand a chance to be invited for interview. Here where it says please rewrite this resume, so you're going to use quotation mark again to paste your resume and then close it with quotation mark again. So once you have pasted your resume here, and you can see I said using the keywords in the job description and the requirements. Now the reason why you're going to be using the keywords to remodify your resume is because most of these job openings, they use ATS, like applicant tracking system, to go through this resume. It makes their work fast and easy. So if they don't find some of these keywords, the system will discard your resume. So that is why you have to use the keywords that the job description states, and that is why you have to make sure you give ChatGPT this command so that it uses the keywords to remodify your resume for you. And of course, remember I added with the information you have about me and about the company. So that is why you still need to introduce yourself, and you should also draft your resume. No matter how bad, just draft it so that you will not be in the problem of plagiarism, because ChatGPT will always look for something on the internet to put together to give you anything you ask it. But if you have a resume already drafted, no matter how bad, and of course you are in the best position to know more information about you, and everything it's going to give you is going to be tailored to you, like it's going to be customized to your persona and to what you have done, what you can do, and the type of person you are. So that is why you're going to give it this prompt. Don't worry about this prompt, I have prepared everything. I'm going to leave the link in the comment section where you can access this prompt. All you need to do is just use it to do your own, like get your own personalized job. And please comment I'm interested in the comment section so that I know that you guys are interested, and I can send you the link in the comment section. So moving on, once you have given it this prompt, you're going to ask it to generate, and you're going to see the magic it's going to do for you. So you see, ChatGPT has given you everything you need. Like, it has redefined this resume, like it has modified it to be tailored to this particular job. And of course, that is how it should be. You should not be using the same resume for every job. You should tailor your resume to any particular job you're applying for. ChatGPT has done its job using the keywords like I expected. It has given me a brand new resume that I'm going to use to make this application. But if you want ChatGPT to generate this resume for you, you're going to see that ChatGPT, after generating whatever resume it has generated, you're going to see the reference there. That is to show you that it got these things from the internet. It's going to reference where it got all these things from. So that is why you need to generate your own first before it notifies it for you. So this is basically how you're going to get both your cover letter and your resume, and you're going to submit it and hope that you get invited for interview. So should you get invited for interview, you're going to prepare yourself for that interview, and you can also use ChatGPT to prepare yourself for that interview. All you need to do is just give it this prompt. So you're going to ask ChatGPT, I have been invited for an interview in the company Canonical for the position of whatever position you're applying for. Now here are the descriptions and the requirement for this position. So at this point, you're going to use quotation mark again to paste the job description and requirements that you got from wherever you were invited for an interview. So you're going to paste it here. So once you have pasted that, you close it as well with a quotation mark, and then you're going to continue. You say, based on the above information and the information you know about the company Canonical, please give me a list of possible interview questions I may expect and their answers based on the information on my resume. So you're going to paste your resume here, and of course make sure you open and close it with a quotation mark. Then to help me prepare to ace this interview, so you're going to ask it to generate. So ChatGPT has finished generating, and it gave me up to 10 possible interview questions based on the prompt I gave it, and everything is tailored to what I want or to what I am into, and the information that it is giving me is based on everything I asked it. So as you can see, you can prepare yourself using these few interview questions that it has generated, and if you want more, you can always ask it to generate more for you. And of course, it also gave me tips for that interview, as you can see here on your screen. So that is how powerful ChatGPT is to prepare you to ace any interview and to get job fast. All you need is just to give it the right prompt, do the right things you're supposed to do, make sure you're qualified for the job, and trust me, you are guaranteed to get this job once you follow everything the way it should go. So if you have other questions as well, you can ask it, and it's also going to give you the answers to whatever questions you have asked. But make sure you avoid plagiarism like I mentioned earlier. So if you're looking for other removal from home jobs you might do, you might want to check out these videos. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel if you want to get more valuable content like this from us. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.